As a family of 5, we have lots of shoes in our house, so this bench comes in so handy of keeping things organized in our entryway. You've got plenty of storage space of varying sizes. You've got one large space, and then you've got shelves that can be rearranged to make taller spaces if you need. Has this really great, comfy, actually quite supportive cushion on top of it that comes off with Velcro. And it can be unzipped so that you can wash this cover. It's a really simple neutral color scheme, just this pale wood and this light gray cover, but this is actually quite comfy. My kids sit on here all the time to get their shoes on in the morning before school. They leave their backpacks up here when they need be, and there is lots and lots of room in here. This is how it looks all filled up. As you can see, there's room for even taller boots than what I have in here. And here I have 2 pairs of my kids' flip-flops, a pair of my own, adult size shoes, kids size shoes, which there's plenty of room if I need to throw more in there, more adult shoes, more kids shoes, plenty of room.